Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making sure the basics are working. Unlock your iPhone and verify Wi-Fi or cellular data is on so iMessage can send and receive. Once done, confirm messages notifications are enabled in settings so you don't miss new texts. Next, open the Messages app or simply tap the incoming notification to go straight to the conversation. Doing this first saves time and avoids delays. Now you're in the right thread and ready to reply or take the next specific action. You tap the latest message bubble to see the whole thread and position the cursor in the text field. Use the keyboard to type or tap the microphone for dictation when you need hands-free input. You can also open the app drawer to add images, GIF, or stickers. Once your text is ready, press the blue send button or hit return to deliver the message. Make sure the bubble is blue, which tells you it's iMessage. Green indicates SMS and may incur carrier charges. You can enrich replies with bubble effects and reactions by long pressing a message, and swipe left to delete unwanted threads. These extras speed up communication. Tap the contact name at the top to start FaceTime, view delivery/read receipts, or share your location. If a message won't send, toggle airplane mode briefly, then re-enable network, or sign out and back into your Apple ID in settings to refresh iMessage. If problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.